Good morning, dear students. As you know, we are discussing chapter Fields and Fences. In this chapter, we have learnt about perimeter and area. Now, today's topic is how to solve area and perimeter word problems. Means if some word problems are given, then how you will find out that what you have to do. Means how do you know if you are solving for area or perimeter in a word problem. For this, try to read the given word problem at least twice and then try to find out some hints. I'll provide you some hints. If you will see these hints in the given word problem, then accordingly you will solve what to do, whether you have to find out perimeter or whether you have to find out area. First of all, we will discuss about perimeter hints. Means if in a particular word problem you see the words like around, outside, border, frame or fence, then you will solve the given word problem and you will find out the perimeter. But if the words like inside, carpet, square units, grass and wallpapers are there in that particular word problem, then you will find out the area. Based on these hints, we will try to solve some word problems. Okay, our first word problem is a rectangular park is 100 meters long and 70 meters broad. It has to be fenced to keep the cattle away. How much wire is needed for the frame? Dear students, try to read the given word problem twice and then underline the given special words or special hints. First of all, you will see that a rectangular park means the shape of the park is rectangle and its length is 100 meters and its breadth is 70 meters. Then you will try to find out the hints. Means it has to be fenced to keep the cattle away. How much wire is needed for the fence? The key word here is fence. So we have already seen this keyword in the perimeter hint. It means you have to find out perimeter in this word problem. Okay, because when we are fencing any field or any park or any garden, then what is needed? The total length of the boundary is needed. Means we should have the knowledge of total length of the boundary of the given field. It means we should have to find out the perimeter. So let's find out the perimeter in this question. Here, length of the park is 100 meters and breadth of the park is 70 meters. And what is the formula to find out the perimeter of a rectangle? Yes, perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. L is length and B is breadth. So we will put the values in this formula. 2 into L is 100 meters and B is 70 meters. So 2 into 100 plus 70, 170 meters. Now we will multiply 170 with 2. 2 zeros are 0, 2 sevens are 14, 1 carry over, 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3. So our answer will be 340 meters. Okay? Means the wire needed for the fence is 340 meters. 340 meters. Okay? Now let's solve one more question. Aman jogs around a square field every day. He takes 4 rounds of the field. How much distance does he cover if each side of the square field is 43 meters long? As we know, all sides of a square are equal, and here what is given? The length of one side is 43 meters. Means all the sides of this square are 43 meters. Now we will try to find out the hint. Aman jogs around a square field every day. He is jogging, means he is running like this, means around the square park. Second thing, he takes 4 rounds of the field. How much distance does he cover if each side of the square field is 43 meters long? First thing, the park is square in shape. All the sides are equal. Secondly, he is jogging. Means if he starts from this point, he jogs like this. Means what is needed? The length of the boundary of this square park is needed. It means we will find out the perimeter first. So as you know, perimeter of a square is 4 into side. So side is equal to 43 meters and perimeter of a square is 4 into side. Means we will put the value 43, 4 into 43 meters. We will multiply first. 43 multiplied by 4. 4 3s are 12. 1 carry over. 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17. 172 meters. 172 meters. Means if he is running or if he is jogging, he is covering the boundary of this park and he is covering 172 meters. But this is in case of only one round. Now we will see how many rounds he is taking. he is taking 4 rounds of that field. So now what we will do? Distance covered in four rounds will be equal to, he is covering the distance in one round is equal to 172 meters. So in 4 rounds we will multiply this distance that he is covering in first round with 4, because he is taking 4 rounds of that field. So 172 into 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 7s are 28 to carry over, 4 1s are 4 plus 2, 6. It means he is covering 688 meters in 4 rounds, and this is our answer. Okay, so what you have to see? First of all, you will find out what you have to find out, perimeter or area, and according to that you will solve the given problem. Okay, one more example based on this topic. Mr. Verma wants to paint a wall. The length of wall is 14 meters and the breadth of the wall is 10 meters. How many square meter is needed to be painted? So we will read this word problem again and we will underline the important words or important hints. First thing is, Mr. Verma wants to paint a wall. Means if somebody wants to paint a wall, definitely he will not paint only the border of that wall. He will paint the whole wall, means the space enclosed within this wall. It means if we want to know the space inside a closed figure, then what we do? We always find area in that case. And second thing is, the length of wall is 14 meters and breadth of wall is 10 meters. Means length and breadth, both things are given. It means the wall is rectangular in shape. So length is 14 meters and breadth is 10 meters. And the hint is how many square meters. And we have already discussed this hint in area hints. Means two things are clear. First, we want to know the space enclosed within the wall. And second thing is square meter. That is the hint already given. So length of, we will find out the area in this question. First, length of the wall is 14 meters and breadth of the wall is 10 meters. And what is the formula for area? Area of a rectangle, length into breadth. Area of rectangular shape will be equal to length into breadth. Now we will put the values in this formula. 14 meters into 10 meters is equal to 140 square meters. We have already discussed the unit in area. that the unit of area is square meter or square centimeter or square kilometer, because length or breadth here given in meters, so the unit of area in this problem will be square meters. So our answer will be 140 square meters. Dear students, like this you will try to solve the given word problems by yourself in your notebook. Thank you.